Alright, so we're going to start on how to color and do values, and we're not going to be just going on here and doing a flat color. No. You guys are going to be working with value and working from dark to light to dark. It's up to you. It just needs to be a gradual thing because value isn't here's dark, here's light. It's a gradual. You can use more than one color, so if you wanted to say two browns, you could value them into each other, gradiate them into each other. You might be hearing people in the background, and that's okay. So, when we're doing this, I'll also keep a piece of paper on side so you can test your color before you put it on your final. So, we're not going to be coloring the entire thing. I'm going to come in with this brown, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to do the hair on mine just because I can. But I'm not going to be coloring my whole person. So I'm going to come in. You see how I'm building up? I'm just keeping it up and down, up and down. I'm not changing it up. So like I said, you're just going to come through, staying in the up and down motion. Don't change it too much. Now, see I'm following this line? So I'm going to go ahead and keep following that curve that I made. Following the curve of the hair. I'm putting down a light layer first because if I put down a light layer first, it's going to work out better. Now I'm going to change up directions a little bit because the hair changes direction. I'm going to use these little circular to help blend it there. And I'm going to come on in. It's almost like outlining. I'm putting very little pressure down because I don't want this to be streaky. If you turn in a piece that you're going like this and then like this on top of it, or even if it's light and you're doing like that, no, don't do it. You want this to be a nice piece. You don't have to color your person's hair. I just chose that would be one that I would color because I'm not doing the whole thing. Now, I just did a base color, and I'm going to come back through. I've stayed with the same brand the whole time. I'm coming in. Alright, so like I said, you're going to go in and let your pencil break. So I'm keeping a little handheld near me. I do have some in the back if you need it. So you go in. So remember, hair usually comes out from like a central location. You have a hair line if you are choosing to do the hair. You have a line that you part on usually. Not trying to make it perfect. I'm just trying to make it understood. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of another burn in that's a little warmer. So the first burn I used was more of a neutral brown, and then this one is a little bit warmer. It's adding a little bit of warmth to my piece. Let's see if I can keep coloring with it. I can't put pressure on it. Please don't slam down color pencils because that's what causes them, just like pencils, the pigment on the inside to break up the wood. Okay, so that's what the hair looks like in the end. I think I need to come back in with my other one to help even it out a little. Alright, so it's not perfect, but it works. Alright, so that's how you would do for hair, if you choose to do the hair. Now, when you're working on the rest of this, I don't care what colors you use, but you're not coloring the whole thing. You're going to choose things that you're going to make stand out. So I'm going to choose my flowers, maybe my hummingbird, and my bees. I'm going to leave my background alone and the rest of my person alone. So I'm going to end this video, and then when I come in the next video, I will start doing value on the flowers.